If you clicked on this video, you're probably trying to figure out how to quit your smartphone addiction. I think most of us have experienced this, right? You're sitting at home, nothing to do, and your first instinct is to pick up your phone. You know it's not productive, you know it's damaging to your mental health, and yet you still do it anyway. Why? Well, I've struggled with different kinds of internet addictions, ranging from Twitter to Reddit to even Wikipedia, and it's not like I still don't struggle with it sometimes. But over time, I've developed some habits that have worked for me, and now I've mostly quit my smartphone addiction and live life a little freer. By sharing some of my habits, I hope they can help some of you too. So here are 10 ways that I found to be effective to quit your smartphone addiction. Number 1. Write down whenever you get the impulse to pick up your phone. Most of the time, we pick up our phones subconsciously because we're craving a quick dopamine fix. Using a pen and paper to write down whenever we get the impulse to check our phones or open social media helps to retrain our brains and bring a level of mindfulness to our smartphone usage. Number 2. Write down what you need to do on your phone before you do it. Most of the time, we get distracted by our phones because we had something important to do but ended up opening something else by habit. Writing down what you need to accomplish beforehand helps you stay focused and locked into your task. Number 3. Create the time and space for your phone. These days, we take our phones with us everywhere, so it's no surprise we feel like there's no escape. Creating clear boundaries for where and when we can or cannot use our phones helps to protect our sanity and avoid accidental scrolling. Personally, I only use my phone at my charger, and I try not to use it between 9 PM and 7 AM. I don't use it on public transport or while walking, and I don't take it into the toilet. Number 4. Clean up your phone. Removing unnecessary or distracting apps can make your phone and your mind less cluttered and more focused. My home phone is fairly minimalist with only the bare minimum apps installed. As a bonus, install a content blocker. I use OneSec, which helps to intervene every time I open an app or have spent too long on one. Number 5. Log out or deactivate your account. Most social media these days require you to have an account because they know the algorithm will keep people hooked. By using social media without an account or with a throwaway account, they no longer have that algorithmic edge over you. I deleted my Twitter and Reddit accounts last year, and I've barely touched either platform since. Number 6. Curate your content. When we curate our content, we know exactly what we want to consume. In fact, truly good content is art. We are in fact curating art to be enjoyed. Whether it's music, videos, or even blogs, the emotion of carefully selecting such art makes it more mindful, satisfying, and enjoyable. Whenever I watch YouTube, I like to create a playlist of videos to watch from my recommended page. This way I don't get stuck down a rabbit hole of random videos that YouTube thinks I would be interested in. Number 7. Switch to a dumbphone. Okay, in reality you don't really need to, but the extra friction from single-purpose devices like dumbphones and MP3 players is incredible for quitting any smartphone addiction. You don't even need to use a dumbphone. Just dumb down your current phone or use an older phone and keep only what you need. Whenever I go out, I bring a phone with only WhatsApp installed and nothing else, effectively making it a dumb phone. However, the experience of using physical media or dedicated devices is leagues ahead of the experience on a smartphone. Number 8. Find a time-consuming activity. This can be watching a movie, reading a book, or even writing. Anything that can take your mind off your phone for long periods of time to retrain your focus and attention span. Number 9. Find a creative pursuit. The root cause of any social media or non-substance-based addiction boils down to a lack of better things to do. Finding a creative pursuit allows you to reconnect with your inner self, engage your creativity, express yourself, and find satisfaction, enjoyment, and fulfillment in life. If you found the right pursuit, you will be so engrossed in it that you'll forget to pick up your phone. Creative pursuits can be anything, such as music, art, or even building Legos. Whatever you're into most can be a source of inspiration. This video is in fact my creative pursuit. Hope you all are enjoying it so far. Number 10. Take a digital detox. Find some time to commit to no technology, during which you can refresh your mind and reflect on life. You can do this once in a while or once a week, depending on your needs. I take a digital detox once in a while, and I do use some technology like my MP3 player and 3DS, but generally I stick to non-digital activities like reading and writing. And that's 10 ways to quit your smartphone addiction. Leave a like so others can find this video, and leave a comment to let me know your thoughts on this video. Feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. 我是洪兆基，I'll bye bye.